So it's 400 liters water per second that he spits out of the back of it. Soaked and wet, but happy. And off we go. Of everything for my 300 subscribers.
Secondly, please keep your hands inside the boat and lastly, no phones and cameras. While we're on the move, I need everyone's hands on this. Coming up.
Off we go, soaked and wet, but happy. Top speed of the boat is 90 kilometers per hour, but we've done something like 72 because it all depends on how bumpy the road is and if they actually hit the rock. So the boat needs the water underneath, and you need 6 to 9 centimeters of water under the boat in order to use it.